This place is amazing. Let's meet all the animals and learn something new about each of them. Why do chickens scratch the ground like that?
Great question, Sophie. They're looking for food like seeds and insects. Chickens are excellent at keeping the farm pest free.
And they give us eggs. Did you know chickens can lay up to 1 egg a day? That's a lot of breakfast. They're so loud and happy. Why do ducks have flat beaks?
Their flat beaks help them filter food like plants and insects from the water. Ducks are excellent swimmers thanks to their webbed feet.
And their feathers are waterproof. Look how they just float on the pond. Quack, quack, I'm a duck. Me too. Let's waddle to the next animal. What do cows like to eat?
Mostly grass and hay. Cows chew their food twice because of their 4 stomach compartments.
4 stomachs? That's wild. No wonder they chew so much.
Cows make us fresh milk.
Fresh milk. This is marvelous. Goats are like little mountain climbers. Why are they chewing on everything?
They're curious creatures. Goats use their mouths to explore. But don't worry, they're picky and only eat plants like grass and leaves.
Looks like this one wants to borrow my bow. Goats are the best explorers, just like us. Farmer Joe, why do donkeys make such funny sounds?
That's called braying, Milo. Donkeys bray to communicate with other animals or to get attention.
What do donkeys do on the farm?
They're hardworking animals that help carry heavy loads and protect smaller animals from predators.
Ah, you're so sweet, and your ears are so soft. Say cheese, Milo. You and the donkey are best buddies now. Horses are so beautiful. How do they help on the farm?
Horses are strong and fast. They help pull carts, plow fields, and can even herd other animals.
Why do they wear shoes?
Great question. Those are horseshoes, and they protect their hooves from hard ground.
You're the prettiest animal I've ever seen. I think I'm ready to ride a horse one day. Why do sheep have such thick wool?
Their wool keeps them warm in the winter. In spring, we shear it off to make clothes and blankets.
It's so soft, like a fluffy cloud. I feel like a designer. Sheep style. And I'm the shepherd keeping the flock safe.
You two did a great job today. What was your favorite animal?
The donkey was so funny and friendly. I loved the horse. It was so elegant and strong.
Well, you've earned the title of Junior Farmers.
I can't wait to tell everyone about what we learned. And I can't wait to come back and visit our animal friends. Goodbye.